welcome back. We're at the Red Rock 100 in Gallup, New Mexico for a desert race. We got here last night. Today's Saturday. We partied a little too hard.
Just a little bit.
Just went a little.
That's fine though.
Yeah,
it's
anyway.
Fine.
We're feeling it.
We're gonna go ride 50 miles through the desert right now.
25.
25 miles through the desert right now. It's already 90 degrees out here. It's gonna be a good time. Wyatt is registered. Wesley is registered.
Depending on the pre-ride, we'll see if I'm racing tomorrow.
She's gonna race tomorrow.
We'll see how it goes.
She's gonna race tomorrow.
Anyway, but yeah.
Yep. So that's where we are.
Okay.
All right.
All right. And then Wyatt's race or practice is here in a few minutes. Okay.
He's raring to go. He can't
excited.
even stand it.
He's so excited.
Yeah. They're not having a good time. It's hot already.
Trying to wheelies without a helmet.
He can't be on the bike because he's gonna get us kicked out. It's hot. I told her she should have a couple of hairs of the dog and then make her feel good, but she was not interested. Looks like a fun course.
So little we can't tell.
Stand up!
Stand up! So Wyatt just finished his practice. That was fun. His course is really cool.
Yes, you did good.
And then Wes just went on the pre-ride with one of our friends, and Noah and I are gonna go out here in a second.
Yeah, we're going. It's been a good time. It's hot. The clouds are moving in though.
It's really hot. It might rain.
It'll be all right. Good times.
All right.
Party.
Wish us luck.
got the throttle thumb. You just ice it and... Oh, hold on.
What?
Pokies in my thing. It's
I thought you got hurt and they were waiting for help or something. I love you! We'll be there soon! Poor thing.
Well, we got back from our pre-ride. That was a little nar-nar. What do you think, Wes? We all got hurt. So Wes went ahead of us with a friend, and then Noah and I went out, and poor Noah hurt his back. I crashed like 3 times in a row. My tire is debeaded, so it's just super wobbly, especially through the sand. And then about mile 17, 18, I pulled up and there was this bike, and I'm like, why does that bike look so familiar? It was Wes. He had crashed.
Really hard.
Really hard. So luckily we were there to help him. And then we all 3 rode in. It was really cool.
Messed up my thumb,
Yeah.
my leg. I flipped my bike twice. I flipped with my bike twice.
He broke his brake lever too.
Yeah, and my boot.
Are they?
Yeah.
That's cool.
No, it's... Hit them puppets.
Go, baby! Right, so we came to town. Trophies are at 8 tonight. I'm really excited for that.
I'm gonna get 2 because fixed the last one.
Yes, and Wyatt got first place today. I forgot to mention that, duh. As you can see in the footage, he got first place, so we're super proud of him. There were 2 kids in his class. There's not many 50s, so come on 50s, where you guys at? Wyatt needs some competition. How's it going?
It's going pretty good. You are an upstanding citizen.
Come film me over.
Waylon! Yes.
Absolutely.
Woo! Good job, guys. Good job. Woo! Good job,
guys. Thank you.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you. Filming. Good job, guys. See if I can do anything. If I can, I can. I'm gonna try for you. Okay. Let's see. It's a race together.
Well, my solution is...
This is happening.
Yeah.
sun shines.
Good morning.
It's race day for Wesley. I had to sacrifice my brake lever. Just kidding. Well, that and then my tire's defeated, and I'm gonna have to let out more air, and it's not gonna be fun. So I'll sit this one out. I'm good to hang out with husband and this cute little dog, and then Wyatt's sick anyway, so I get to be mama today.
Good times. Right.
I'm excited for Wes. And I told him he has a job. He's got to go to work tomorrow.
He says everybody else has to go to work tomorrow.
What are you feeling? What are your thoughts right now?
Feeling like I want to ride my dirt bike.
Okay, well, you're about to. For 44 miles. How's it going in here?
It's going well. We'll get the GoPro going.
Poor Wyatt. How do you feel, lovey? Just yucky? How cool.
That is really cool.
Wow. That's amazing. I'm going to pit for everyone. Hopefully they're not back yet. Oh, this is cool. It's such a nice day too.
The A's might have came through already. We might have missed Merrick.
Sorry, Merrick.
Sorry, Merrick.
Good job, bud. We'll see you on the next one. You have 3 more.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. How cool. This is awesome.
This is awesome.
What a good time. We'll film up here over the tunnel. Oh, it's so cool. It was fun to ride through yesterday. Got Waylon with us. Wyatt's at the trailer. He didn't feel good, so he's gonna lay down and relax. What do you need?
I broke another shaft. My bike doesn't like brakes.
How was it? Tell me everything.
It was muddy.
Yeah, worse than yesterday, right?
No, way
worse.
Way worse.
So many guys were just coming off quitting.
Yeah, I would have went another one. I was telling my bike, should I or should I not? And then I finally came to, well, I was using it a lot towards the beginning and I don't want to have to go again.
Yeah, no, that's a safety issue at that point. Well, good job. I'm proud of you. You did 1 lap. That's awesome.
You tried to pull the brakes just now. I did.
Yeah, I would have too.
Gotta have it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he owes me a brake lever. Hey, this guy.
I missed. Catch it. Oh, that hurt my thumb. Okay. There's no brake, Dad.
Lift it up, Wes.
No, it's fine.
Well, heck yeah. Successful weekend. It was pretty awesome. Met a lot of cool people, had fun. A little bit of mud. Just just, yeah.